Hey, good afternoon and welcome back once again to New Traditions and Wabash Ukulele Company. I think I've got the shop just about ready to go. So I thought I'd take you on in and let you see what we've been doing. All right, well, first of all, this is my bench, which is where all my dulcimer and ukulele and guitar assembly will take place. It's crowded right now, but when everything is off of it, it's a great tabletop. I've got my spare parts and small parts. I've got my templates up here on the wall. I've got stuff over here. Then I've got my fretting jig, my Stumac vise, and my bending jig with all my patterns and my side bent patterns as well. So that's just as I walk in the front. Love it. And then on the other side of my bench, I've got my cutting area. You know, I love this saw. This is one of the best things I've ever purchased. This is a DeWalt, and it's perfect for the luthier. You just don't need big tools when you're building instruments. Yeah, it's just, I'm just trying to remember who it was that recommended it to me, but this is a perfect saw. Then I've got my beautiful Incra miter gauge, which is just amazing. That's going to save so many problems for me. Then of course my planer, again DeWalt, small. I've got my binding channel jig over here with extension cords attached to it, and the router that I use for my binding channel cuts. And over here we've got my drill press, my joiner, my sander with a bunch of stuff on top right now, sorry about that, and my bandsaw. One of the great things that I've done is I put a center work table, excuse me, which is something I've wanted for a long time. It's got my dad's toolbox down there and a bunch of ukulele jigs. On this side it's got my father-in-law's toolbox, but this will be the repair bench right here for guitars and anything else that comes in. I'll be doing I have two neck resets scheduled. I'll get the instruments in next week and we'll get them done when I can get them done. Then I've got my neck angle jig right here with the router that I use for my neck angles. This is just an amazing jig. Love it. Again, saves so much time in setting necks. Then of course my Go bar with my radius dishes up on top. My Go bar deck. Yeah, it's just a great work area. It's 48 by 48, so it'll be perfect. Then in the back of the shop I have my thickness sander with its own shop vac, which really cuts down on the dust, and some stuff from our RV that we sold, and then my turning station. I've found that I don't need a huge lathe, so this little lathe does perfect for my flutes, my pins, my bowls, all sorts of stuff. We'll be turning a bunch of flutes on this real soon for Christmas. I have several orders for G and A flutes, and this lathe works wonderful for that. Then of course my sharpening station, my air conditioner that's been put away, my chop saw with a bunch of stuff on it, and then I've got wood storage just kind of everywhere. So that's my next goal, is to get my wood storage better set. But that's what it took me all week to get this far. The floor is actually clean. It's my fault. I let it get out of control and I paid the price for it, but now it is beautiful. So that's about it from New Traditions, Dulcimers, and the Wabash Ukulele Company. There's a lot of cool things happening here. It's a beautiful day. The fields are all being harvested, which is always exciting for us because it's nice to have the views back. With the corn so high, you just can't see anything. Not that I'm complaining, but it's going to be nice to get our views back. Yeah, so right here in the heart of Somerset, Indiana. My name is Dan Daniels. This is the New Traditions Dulcimers and Wabash Ukulele Company shop tour. That's it. Lord bless you guys. Have a great day.